If you can answer at least 20 out of 26 in this bizarre trivia challenge, your brain is seriously sharp. Ready for the challenge? Let's begin.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Corps channel for more exciting quizzes.
Why did Samuel L. Jackson get a special award? Answer: C. Supporting actor. What saves Bob Marley's wife from a bullet? Answer: A. Dreadlocks. Why do Dalmatians have a link to firefighters? Answer: B. Barking sirens. Which butterflies dropped 90% in 25 years? Answer: C. Monarch. Which leader relaxed by laying bricks? Answer: B. Winston Churchill. How much energy is in a gallon of seawater? Answer: B. 300 gallons gas. Why did Poltergeist use real skeletons? Answer: C. Cheaper than plastic. Why did Greeks give Turks bullets? Answer: C. Save the columns. Why do astronauts throw away dirty clothes? Answer: B. Water is expensive. What is the best charge range for phone batteries? Answer: B. 40 to 80%. In the 13th century, a test was done to find Answer: B. Natural language. What was the honeymoon supply for newlyweds? Answer: C. Mead. What can grow back in young children? Answer: B. A fingertip. Which coffee roast has the least caffeine? Answer: C. Dark roast. KFC's secret herb blend is sold as what? Answer: B. 99X. Why are capital letters called uppercase?
Answer B. Storage tray.
Which tribe helped the Irish during the famine?
Answer B. Choctaw.
Which country can reject visas for high BMI?
Answer C. New Zealand.
Who Roman survivor beat Hannibal?
Answer A. Scipio Africanus.
What color light does the sun emit most?
Answer C. Green.
What did Pizza Hut use kale for in 2013?
Answer C. Decoration.
Whose obituary was printed by mistake?
Answer B. Alfred Nobel.
What was the Comanche name for Hitler?
Answer A. Crazy White Man.
Which island has Pokémon on its real coins?
Answer C. Niue.
What did William the Conqueror say after a fall?
Answer B. England is ours.
What is the most consumed food in the world?
Answer B. Rice.
Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.